Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 540M quick attach front loader. Tractor has right around 35 hours, so it's practically a new machine. Tractor has not been sold to an end user. We got a number of these tractors from a Deere dealership that was closing these out, so it has not been sold to a end user. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. And again, it does also come with the 540M quick attach front loader. Tractor looks new. Obviously, with the hours it has on it, is practically a new machine. Has 100 horsepower on the engine, 85 rated PTO horsepower. Has a 24x12 transmission, which is a nice upgrade from the standard transmission. Triple remotes in the back here. Top link and drawbar both with the machine. Does have the extendable arms and your 3-point, as well as the stabilizer bars on both sides. Work lights on the back of the cab. Still have the pips on the tires there. And again, just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Inside the cab here still smells new. Air ride seat, power reverser. Again, does have that 24-speed transmission with the power high-low in it. All your hydraulic, PTO, hand throttle controls all located to the right. And then up top you have the rearview mirror, sun visor, and climate controls. And again, the tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. I believe that warranty runs into 2027, I believe. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.